Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a review of the Undated Daily Planner by Penguin Planner. Special thanks to the Penguin Planner team for sending me this planner for review. As with all reviews here on my channel, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off with the basics, this planner retails at $24.99 and it is available on Amazon. I'll have the information in the description box for you to check out. It measures at 8.5 inches by 5.8 inches by 1 inch. It weighs a little bit over a pound and the size is equivalent to that of an A5. This color here is red, but they also have a black and denim gray available as well. This cover is textured and it has the logo on the front and then Penguin Planner on the back. It has an elastic band, 2 bookmarks, pocket in the back, and it also came with stickers and this little notepad here. And the stickers say idea, big learning, milestone important, happiest day, and motivation. As for the paper quality, it is thick, bleed-proof satin soft white paper, 100 GSM. And this planner, as we will get into the layout, it is meant to help increase productivity, time management, focus on the mind and body, as well as your nutrition overall, as well as gratitude and habit tracking. As for how long this planner is, it is 120 days, so you get 4 months worth. Helps for those that want to work with more of a quarterly planner instead of committing to one for a full year. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the layout. So when we open it up, it says Penguin Planner. It says here how the Penguin Planner helps you. It consists of monthly and daily views. There are 6 monthly views where you can list the most important items in a month. The monthly view also encompasses the weekly view where you can list the items which you are going to do in a week. And the daily view helps to keep track of daily tasks, meetings, and health goals. And then more information here on the website. So the beginning pages are goal setting. So what is your goal, due date, and then how do you plan to achieve this goal? So you put your big goal here and then your action steps. And then there's space for a vision board. Then here's the monthly view. The month on 2 pages. So you have the month that takes up about the second half of the page with a little note section here. Then at the top, goals, tasks, and month end review. And all of the months are grouped together. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 months, as they said. And then we get into the daily view, which I said is 120 days. So the daily view is a day on 2 pages. So you have your inspiration at the top, your wake up time, the date, task of the day, must do, how to manage your time. So if you have a meeting, family time, things you should do. So this here helps to prioritize between what's most important and then what's secondary. Then over here is where you can focus more so on the nutrition of your day. So you can put your meals up here. There's AM and PM, your water intake. Well, this is nutritional supplement medication, what medication you're taking in the time. You can also put your vitamins here as well if you're not taking a daily medication. Also, if you're taking like ibuprofen or Tylenol and you want to keep track of that in the day, that would be great to go there. Your water intake, health goals, exercise, meditation, as well as your meals, the summary of your day, your achievements, what you're grateful for, what you're looking forward to, the insights you've gained, and then a note section. And then there's a thing at the bottom that says bedtime. Don't forget to give yourself a big hug because you love yourself. And it says that on every single page at the bottom. Bedtime. Remind yourself to give you a hug. So we just keep flipping and flipping. Let's see if there's any notes pages here. So that just continues on. And then at the very end of the planner, there are notes pages, just regular lined pages. The stitching here is, it's actually stitched, it's not stapled. So you just get a few lined pages. To get it to lay flat, you'd have to play around with the pages just a little bit to push them down. But overall, nice composition. The paper does feel nice. This planner is pretty straightforward, so let's go ahead and get into my pros and cons. My pro is that I really do like the layout of this planner. I like the daily, how it's not only on 2 pages, but how it merges both productivity and wellness in one spread. The thing about our planners is that sometimes we get so wrapped up in the go, go, go and what we need to get done that we don't take time to reflect and show gratitude for not just what we have in our lives, but show gratitude to ourselves of how well we're doing, how we're overcoming, how we're moving forward. And that I do love about this spread. This here, the achievements, insights gained, grateful for, looking forward to. I have seen other planners that have incorporated wellness aspects. I just haven't seen the layout particularly like this. So I do like the layout. Again, the day on 2 pages. Even though the day is on 2 pages, one of the other bonuses of this is that it's undated. So if you choose to not use it on a certain day, so what? Pick it back up when you feel like using it. And having undated planners versus dated is that it gives you the flexibility to do that. As for what I don't like, I do wish that it had some more notes pages in the back. But then again, I don't know how many people use their notes pages, but I do, just to scratch things down. But a way to also maximize this is to use sticky notes. Sticky notes are great to put here, and then when you're done, you can just peel it up, file it if you need to, or toss it. So that's another way to help maximize these pages. I'm also not a huge fan of these stickers. And this notebook, I don't know exactly how it's supposed to be used. It actually, oh, are these stickies? Oh, they're I think these are stickies. Okay, this is not a notebook. These are stickies, so I take that back. If these are stickies, this is cool. If it's stickies. I don't know about this one. I'm trying to see. So it's kind of sticky. Okay, so I take that back. This is a sticky. Let's see how it looks on the page. Because I was trying to figure out why it was so close. So this is cool. You can stick it to the page, and this gives you more note space, not only from what is in the back, but also to put on your actual page if you just need to jot some things down for reference. So, okay, I'll put this back in the mix. I'm not too upset about the notes pages being limited, but again, just how you can take the sticky notes and put them on this page, you can also put them on the notes section in the back. But having this gives you the flexibility to put them here as well. So I do like that. And it's fairly sticky, not too sticky, but should do the trick of just sticking on the page, but I'm still not a fan of the stickers. Another thing I'm not a fan of is that the months are separate from the daily. I get why it is with this kind of planner, but of course you can always add your own tabs. That's where the bookmarks come in handy, but I just prefer for my months and my weeks, days to be together, and especially having them all grouped together like this. Another thing is that this is for 6 months, whereas the planner is for just 120 days. So you get more months than you do days in the planner, and that just kind of throws me off, but that's personal preference. I don't really care too much about having the goals, the tasks, and the month-end review, because how often do people really fill this out? To those that do, great, but I don't. When I'm looking at my monthly, I usually just fill it out and pop things in as they come. This is the kind of stuff that I don't generally fill out, but that's a part of this layout. It is what it is. I do like the vision board that's here. I like planners that incorporate vision boards, because the vision board is not just something that you just do at the beginning of the year or just when you get the planner. It's something that evolves and you can keep adding to it. So I like that. And with pages like these, you can modify them however you wish. You can change the categories. Yes, there's still space for you to add stickers. If you don't want to use this as goal setting, you can cover this and add your own stickers. So there's ways to modify your planner. Just keep that in mind. But I am a strong believer in having your planner meet you where you are in your life. So if you're someone that's just trying to get back into a routine, I would recommend this kind of planner for that, because it gives you that structure and you're not committing to a full year planner because this is only for 4 months. So that is that. The pricing is all right, $24.99 for what you're getting, and the fact that it's undated and you have the flexibility to use it when you wish. So the pricing is good on that. But that is all for my review of this, but I would definitely recommend this planner for those that are looking to get into a routine, just to have some more structure, especially with the times that we're in. This will give you a little bit of a boost to not just focus on projects that you may want to get done, to-dos that you want to get done, but also just focusing on yourself, which we need so desperately at this time. Never neglect yourself. But that is it for this review. Again, special thanks to the Penguin Planner team for sending me this planner for review. For more information, just check out all the links in the description box. Would love to hear what you think of this planner in the comment section. Let's chat there. Also in the description box, I will have related videos as well as the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.